Hey guys, it's Jessica again. So today we're going to get into super girly mode and I'm going to show you how I redid a pair of my shoes. So this is kind of a preview of what the after will look like. They were tan before and had just become kind of worn over time, but one of my favorite pairs, super comfortable. So we're basically going to take something that has been a little bit worn over time, but otherwise in great condition, maybe not so aesthetically pleasing anymore. And we're gonna turn it into something beautiful and refurbished and new. I've done this for myself a couple of times and gotten some great compliments, and I've then done them as gifts and those people have gotten compliments as well. So it's also a really cool way to showcase your art. So this will be episode 6 and I'm really excited to get started, and let's go.
From me, I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. I tried this, tried that, tried everything. Coming right back, won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear.
Okay, so this is going to be the end of this video, and I hope you were able to kick your shoes off, relax, and enjoy. And now you can see how you can take an old pair of shoes and you don't need to throw them away. You can go ahead and redo them and make them maybe even more wonderful than they were originally. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and show you that finished product. We have a really cool flower pattern, and we did the stripes and a little bit of the stitching pattern on the back as well. It is a very light blush pink, a little hard to see in the video, but of course you're going to do whatever color and pattern you would like to do. I did go ahead and clear coat them in the end because the last thing that we want is to be out on a rainy day and all of a sudden our colors start to run. So please make sure that whatever color or pattern you use, you go ahead and you do clear coat them. So as usual, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please, if you like, click like. Please go ahead and subscribe, and I really look forward to the next one. Have a great rest of your day.